how to buy J3FF by Virtuals token. So this token came under the symbol of J3FF. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money, rewards, or crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, as usual, go and check Derek's account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the exchange. To be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just copy the token address from here. This token address is under the base network. Now open your wallet. For that, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now go back to your wallet. So after that, select the base as a network from here. After that, click on this plus icon, paste the token address. So this is our token, but before that, make sure to read that warning. And if you are ready to go, just click on confirm. Now after that, click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and find your token that you just added. Just keep scrolling down. So this is our token. Click on it, click here on swap, switch from here. From the top, select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, but make sure that you have enough USDC on your wallet. And here type how much you want to buy. And after that, you will be able to see how much you receive. And after that, it's easy and simple. Click on buy now, and you will be able to buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy J3FF token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.